What is up, everybody? This is me, Yasman. Welcome back to my channel. So today, we're just gonna be reviewing about the knife. So, this knife. So look. So this knife I got it from Switzerland. And if you want this knife, there's like a lot of knives in Target, Walmart, or anywhere places that you can buy them. So look, I'll show you. So there's everything in there. See, see, knife. It is so this one's like Sharpie. This one too. Yeah. And I have a another knife like because I bought it from the hotel. Like I got it from the hotel. It's for they gave me for free. So look at this one. Let's see, knife. So this one and this one are like different. So this one is a Swiss Army knife, and this one. So if you want this knife, the Switzerland knife, I will put link in description below. And okay, alright guys. So okay, so I will be right back for this video. Alright guys, welcome back here for this video. So okay, so I'm gonna try this knife and like I'm gonna cut it with paper, cause let's see if I can cut it. I think I did it with the wrong way. I think no. See, and let's see this one. Other side. Yeah, and that's how you cut it with the paper. Okay, alright guys, um, this is the end of this video. So, thanks for watching for this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe if you dare, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, and okay, so you can put this knife in like, yeah, it's a pocket knife. Yeah, so yeah. Okay, alright guys, bye, and I will be putting this in link in description below. So if you want this, I'll put it. Alright, bye.